Honda TRX400 won't start refers to when the all-terrain vehicle will not activate or won't turn on. This video is going to show you how to troubleshoot a Honda TRX400 that will not start up. Keep in mind that these troubleshooting procedures apply to a Honda TRX400 that cranks but won't start, a Honda that will not crank at all, a Honda that cranks but turns off immediately, or a Honda TRX400 that is hard to start up, meaning the engine is cranking for too long but not starting. Also, the troubleshooting procedures in this video are based on factory specifications, not random assumptions. Now be sure to watch the video until the end because I am going to show you where you can download the complete factory repair manual instantly, like right now, and free of charge. Yes, I said free. So watch the video until the end. Okay, so if the Honda TRX400 engine won't start or is hard to start, follow these troubleshooting procedures. Be sure to check for one or more possible malfunctions. To download the factory repair manual instantly and free of charge, go to Google and visit the website buybacklinks.co. The name of the website is on the screen, but remember the domain is buybacklinks.co, not .com, not .net, it's .co. And when you get there, the website should look like this, although it could change over time. But anyway, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click on where it says Buy Backlinks right here. From here, you can download whichever manual you need free of charge. And to find the manual you need, just start placing the cursor over each manual and it will display which model the manual applies to. To download a manual, just right-click on it and save it to your desktop or downloads folder by clicking where it says download. Or you can also save it to your Google Drive if you have a Gmail account and just store the manual there by clicking here, add to my drive. But I'd probably recommend downloading it. Anyway, if you think you found this video helpful, be sure to click on the like button.